Welcome to the GED video on how to home the GED SW7000 and SW6000 welding systems. How do you know when you should home your machine? This tutorial follows the steps outlined on the machine's HMI screen. First, e-stop the machine. From the home screen, select Set Home Mode, then select PLC Warm Restart. This will take several minutes. Once the restart is complete, release the e-stop and then press Master Start. Click OK. If it didn't successfully go into home mode, you will have to start the process over, starting at pressing the e-stop. The current mode should now read Home Mode. Next, press the Disable Servos button. This is the centering bar for the y-axis. Insert the centering bar into the y-axis and move the secondary beams together. This is the homing bar. Insert it into the x-axis between the fence faces and pull heads 2 and 3 up against the bar. On the SW6000, this is the bar you would use to home both the Y and X axis. Continue the process by enabling servos. Now enter the home positions as follows: X1, 36, X2, 36, Y1, 18, Y2, 18. Select X1 axis, then press the Set Welder Home button. Repeat for X2, Y1, and Y2. You will see green lights appear next to each axis, and the absolute position should match the home position. You have now completed homing the machine. Get more helpful tips about operating and maintaining your GED, IG, and Windows systems from our other videos, and visit our website for more information.